This is the installation guide for both the top and bottom magnetic cubby drawers. So before we go ahead and install them, each one of them will have a magnetic mount on the back of them here, which have a piece of 3M on it. The one over here, which is the bottom one, will have two. So go ahead and remove all three of them, and then we're going to proceed to installing them. And before we install the drawers, ensure the top and bottom cubbies are completely empty and also clear of any little pieces of dust and debris. Now to install the top drawer, we're going to need to have the exposed 3M side facing inward like this. We're going to go ahead and slide the drawer in slowly like that, and then press against it right in the center, and it will make the 3M make contact with the rear. Hold it there for about 30 seconds, and then you'll pretty much be able to just pull it out and it is installed. Simple as that. Now we're going to do the same thing with the bottom drawer, except this one will have two of them. And to be able to get around the knob here, we're going to slide it through the side like this. Go right here, and just slide it in just like the top one. Go ahead and press it in like this. Hold it there for about 30 seconds, just like the top. Keep hold, and then you can just pull it out. And with that, it is installed.